Hi, we are going to look at some important questions from the question paper of money. Let us look at sum number 45. Jensen is saving for his new bicycle which costs 50.4 pounds. He has already saved 25.20 pounds. So let us find out how much he needs to save. So he needs to save 50.4 pounds. From there, subtracting the money that he already has, that is 25.20 pounds. When we do this subtraction, we get 25.20 pounds. Now he gets 40 pounds and 20 pence each week as pocket money. So which means that how many weeks should he get this pocket money in order to reach the money that he needs to save, that is 25.20 pounds. So we can find that out by dividing. So number of weeks will be received by dividing the total money that has to be saved by the pocket money of each week. After removal of the decimal, we can see that the number becomes so, and by doing this division it just gives us 6. So the answer is 6 weeks. Shopkeeper bought some quantity of Darjeeling tea. The rate is 25.12 pounds for 1 kg Darjeeling tea. And he also bought 8 kg of Assam tea, which costs 13.24 pounds per kilogram. So let us find the total cost of Assam tea by multiplying the rate of Assam tea with the number of kilograms that is being bought. So that is 8 kilograms, and when we do this multiplication, we get 105.92 pounds. Now he paid a total amount of 407.36 pounds, which means that the cost of Darjeeling tea is the total cost subtracting the cost of Assam tea. So after doing this subtraction, we arrive at the answer 301.44. This is the cost of a few kgs of Darjeeling tea that has been bought by the shopkeeper. The cost of Darjeeling tea is pounds 25 and 12 pence per kilogram, which means how many kilograms is being bought. We will get it by dividing the total cost of Darjeeling tea by the cost of 1 kilogram of Darjeeling tea. So here I am showing you how we can arrive at the answer. So shifting 2 places of decimal again, we are getting 30,144 divided by 2,512. So doing the division algorithm, we are taking 4 digits, 2,512. It will go 1 times under 3,014. So 1 times, and the remainder goes this way, and now this goes 2 times. 2,512 times 2 gives us 5,024. So after doing the division algorithm, we can say that 12 kg of Darjeeling tea was being bought by the shopkeeper. So in this sum, the science teacher paid for ultraviolet light, and that costs 49.99 pounds. The cost of a beaker is not given, and a glowing liquid kit which cost 13.65 pounds. The teacher received a change of 25.01 pounds. So the teacher received a ultraviolet light costing this money, 13.65 pounds in the form of the glowing light kit, and the change itself 25.01. So this total money amounts to 88.65 pounds. So which means that if the teacher paid with a £100 bill, then the cost of the beaker will be nothing but the total amount of the bill and subtracting all the monetary value that the teacher has got. So from £100 we are subtracting 88.65 pounds. After 100 we have to use 2 places of decimal to do the subtraction, and after doing this subtraction by the method of borrowing, this will give us 11.35 pounds. Samuel's salary is £7,000. He spends £650 on house rent, £285.85 on groceries, £201.10 to repay car loan, and £560.45 on other expenses. So we have to add up all the expenses together. So all his expenses together add up to £1,697.40. Now from Samuel's salary, that is £7,000, we have to subtract £1,697.40, which will give us the final answer, £5,302.60 pounds. In this sum, Sam shipped out 6 cars. The total cost of the cars is £710,958.05. Now this cost is including the tax that Sam had to pay. So the cost of cars without tax has to be calculated first by subtracting the amount of tax from the total cost of the shipment. So when we subtract this, we get £708,858.10. To find the cost of each car now, all we have to do is we have to take the total cost and we have to divide that by the number of cars that we are having. So we have to divide by 6 and the answer gives us 118,143.016666 recurring. So we have to write it in currency form. So we will round it up to 2 places of decimals. So in the second place of decimal we have 1. In the third place we have 6, which is just more than 5. So we have to round it up as 0.02. So the cost of each car becomes 118,143 pounds and 2 cents. Harry bought 30 cupcakes for 3.50 each. So total cost of 30 cupcakes is 30 times 3.50. So that is 105 pounds. He paid 200 pounds. So 200 currency minus 105 gives us 95 pounds change that Harry will receive. So a seller bought a dozen lemons at a rate of 1.15 pounds a pair. So 2 lemons cost 1.15. So from here we can find 1 lemon costs 1.15 by 2 and 12 lemons cost this multiplied by 12 for a dozen. So the cost of 12 lemons is 6.90 pounds. On 12 lemons, the profit is 15 pounds. So which gives us the selling price, which is cost price plus profit. So 6.90 pounds plus 15 pounds, which gives us the selling price of all the lemons, which is 21.90 pounds. At what price should he sell each lemon? Well, so for the price of each lemon, we just have to divide by the number of lemons now. So that is 12. This gives us a cost of 1.825 pounds, which we will round off again to 2 places of decimal since we are addressing currency. So the correct answer is 1.83 pounds. So in 36, Thomas opened the account with a deposit of 350 pounds. So this is in his account. He deposited 250.60 pounds more. So that is added to his account, which gives 550.60 pounds. Now when he is withdrawing an amount of 74.75 pounds, that amount is basically deducted from his account. So we have to subtract 74.75 pounds from the total that he has deposited, and the final answer is coming 525 and 85 pennies. In this sum 35, Ray purchased a motorbike and he spent 1040.95 on repairs. He sold the bike for 71,150 and he made a loss of 9,000 on selling the bike. Now, the cost of repairs is added up with the price of the purchased bike and then the loss is calculated. So, the price with repairs of the bike is selling price. With that we add up the loss. So that will give us the buying price with repairs. So that is 71,150 plus 9,000. So that is 80,150. So which means if there were repairs of 1,040 pounds and 95 pence, so buying price of the bike was the lesser than the price with repairs by the amount of the repairs. So 80,150 pounds. From there we are subtracting the amount that was spent on repairs, and we are finally getting the buying price of the bike, that is 79,109 pounds and 5 pence. So that is 0.05.